So, if you're like me, I make a lot of videos, and sometimes I like to move, and I needed something that move with me. So I have a camera holder that now it rotates 360, so I can walk around and do anything that I need to do. I can show different things, I can display different things, and it literally just comes around with me. Um, I'm going to flip the camera and show you guys what it looks like. But this is one of the best pickups that I've had thus far from Amazon. Um, I highly recommend this product. One second, I'm gonna turn the video around so you can see it. All right, guys. So this right here is the tripod stand. As you can see, it moves wherever I move. It does come with these lights that also illuminate your video. It's just an added bonus that you get, and you just put the lights right in here on each side. Sorry for the brightness. It also comes with this handy remote control, so you can control. You can press play or stop on your camera. And again, it this is the height that it gets. It can also go down lower, and it's just easy to put down. It also folds in, and you can literally take it anywhere with you. I highly recommend this product, y'all. Peace.